got the cake all carved and semi-cleaned up here. What I want to do now is actually cut the cake board away from the cake. So I'll just take it away from, have the knife away from you and off the counter, and just cut little sections off at a time. It's nice to have the trash can under you when you're doing this. So you don't have a big mess to clean it. There we go. Now to ice it, we're going to actually have to put it on another board, just so our fingers don't get in the way. So I just pop this white board up here, pop the cake on top, and just with our white buttercream. Always make sure you stir it up, get the air bubbles out of it. And I like to place buttercream on top first. Just take your spatula. And it's okay if we're going to cover this in pink fondant, so it's okay if you get some cake crumbs in there, but try not to get too many. So I start at the top and then kind of come down the sides. And I'll actually do this part last, just so I can see what's going on there. And it just needs to be enough buttercream that you can't see the cake through it. Okay, now I'll come down this front section here. Got some cake crumbs there. So on my bucket here, I always scrape off the icing that has the crumbs in it over on that side, so it doesn't go back into my icing. Alright, got some cake crumbs there, but that's okay, you're not going to see them. Now I want to do this little section here. Move this over so you can see it, and we'll just pop that in. And a tiny bit over here.